about making your first hire? Congratulations. Welcome to Payroll 101 for Canadian small business owners. Hi, my name is Bianca, and I'm a designated payroll professional and community manager at Wagepoint. Today, I'm going to be answering a very common question. When should you start payroll, and what are the things you need to consider before getting started? My first piece of advice, please don't wait until after you've made your hire before starting to think about payroll. Waiting can lead to errors, delayed pay, government penalties, unnecessary stress for both you and your employee. So let's try to avoid that. First off, you're going to need to have a payroll account open with CRA. This process is going to help determine your remitter type and when you need to submit the source deductions to the government. That's your EI and CPP and tax and all that fun stuff. Very important. Next, you're going to need to decide on a pay frequency when your employees are going to be paid. Consider balancing your cash flow needs with your employee needs. Mostly in Canada, small business employers, they pay their employees weekly, bi-weekly, or semi-monthly. And while weekly can be very incentivizing for employees, it can be a little bit heavier on the payroll administrative load. So some employers choose semi-monthly or bi-weekly. Things to consider. Next, you're going to determine how you're going to be managing payroll. You can choose manually. You can hire a payroll professional, bookkeeper, or accountant, or use software like Wagepoint. In summary, get set up with CRA, pick a payroll software or a payroll pro to work with, and determine your pay frequency. And then you will be set up for success, ensuring that your deductions and your remittances are accurate and everyone is paid on time. Happy hiring. Thanks for watching this episode of Payroll 101.